No, you asshole! Alright.
Hi! That's me!
It is you, and it's now your hands only, but... Okay.
This is Everlong by the White Stripes or whatever. I don't know. This is Everlong by us.
Yeah, exactly. We wrote it.
Yeah, we literally wrote it.
Alright, I'm gonna go for one verse.
Well, yeah, that's how it starts.
Sure. Whoa. We got this. Okay.
We'll fix it in post. I can't do this part because I don't have the drum fill, but I can't do that. I can't do like majority of the drum beat, so.
Yeah, I know.
That's the hardest part.
Switch sides. Yeah,
No.
come on. Yep, come on.
No,
come here.
no, I'm not
Come here.
giving you this. I don't want to move all my stuff either.
You don't have to move anything.
I do.
You don't have to move anything.
I do.
Come here. Wait, let me go. I'm just gonna do it for the rest of the class.